Red Bubba Happily.
Please like and subscribe.
That's it for today's episode of Getting Grounded Trivia. I hope you all have a good night and stay ungrounded.
They said go for a drive, and these naps have been unbeatable. So we're getting Chevron with Techron for unbeatable mileage. Paying with the Chevron app makes this stop a snap, a very quiet snap. Unbeatable mileage for unbeatable drives.
What am I gonna get? Ooh, cherries. Oh, okay. How about cherry ice cream?
Ballistic emergency evacuation. Please stand by. All broadcasts shall transmit this message. The following message is transmitted at the request of the White House. The President or his representative will give information on this situation. Here is the President's representative.
Hello, I am the President's representative. All broadcasts and cable systems shall transmit this emergency. The President is being held captive in a shelter. The following states shall transmit this message: Iowa, Arkansas, Wisconsin, Illinois, California, Florida, New York, New Jersey, and Rhode Island. These states shall transmit this message and go to shelter immediately. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. Don't go outside. A 2145 Fort monster resembling a character from the upcoming show Mikey the Meanie. The monster will destroy you if you come outside. Please go to shelter.
This is not a test. Second repeat. This is not a test. Please take shelter immediately. This monster can carry nukes and destroy your town. Otherwise, go to the nearest fallout shelter. The nukes will be very ballistic. Again, the following message is transmitted at the request of the White House to participate in this emergency. During this time, all broadcasts and cable systems shall transmit this message. Please find the nearest fallout shelter now. This is the EAS Handbook Guide. This is GoAnimate Network number 256. We have recently interrupted its regular programming. This is Animation Cable. Here's the voice of the monster, Brandon Hasley.
Thank you so much, Mark. I'm sitting on my couch. I'm waiting until this is all over. Please, I really need this help. Oh well, I'm gonna head over to my basement, which is what I'm doing now. I'm in my mom's house and it seems like I'm gonna die. And the reason, I don't wanna. This monster will really kill me. Because I need my help. Back to you.
Thank you, Brandon. World War IV has officially begun. The monster will also destroy the following countries and continents: Antarctica, Canada, United States, United Kingdom, United Arab Emirates, Animania, Spain, Europe, Saudi Arabia, and Iran. Even for these other countries: the Republic of Ireland, the United Nations of Animania, and the Democratic People's Republic of Korea. Please head to your shelter immediately. The monster has been destroyed and defeated. A missile has launched from the UAS, and the missile has launched into the monster's throat. That caused the explosion of the monster. You may exit your shelters now. Your government thanks you for your cooperation.
If you like what you see here, make sure to subscribe. If you like what you see here, make sure to subscribe. If you like what you see here, make sure to subscribe. If you like what you see here, make sure to subscribe.